guys, we have a 2017 Chevy Equinox. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter inside of the glove compartment. So that's the style that you need if you're getting an STP. I got it from AutoZone. It was like $9.99. So let me show you how to remove this and get it installed. It's actually a lot easier than it used to be. Okay. Open the glove box here. There's actually no screwdriver required on this one. It used to be you needed one, but in this case, you just need to lift up. See that little hinge there? Just lift up at the back on both sides. And that's it. It'll hang there for a second. And what you want to do is just tilt it forward and drop it down. That's it. Those are the little hinges that rest back there. They rest right on there. Okay, inside the underbelly of the glove compartment, your air filter is going to be right in here. See these two little clips? This one and this one? Just going to push up gently on the clips and pull the plastic forward. Push up, pull forward. That's it. There's the old filter. Just gonna lift the door up and pull the filter out. It's actually really dirty. I would not recommend reusing this. I would just completely replace it. This car has 35,000 miles on it, and this already needs to be replaced. Alright, when you get these instructions, you can't even see what the hell they show on the pictures, so I'm kind of glad I'm doing this little video here. The note instructions kind of make a little sense, but it's really not that hard to do this, so you don't even really need this. Alright, so the new filter, because the OEM filters don't actually show this on the side of it, it shows the direction of the airflow plus whatever the product number is for each of these. Just in case someone takes one out and puts it in a different box, you just match this number up to whatever's on the outside of the box, which obviously they match. The airflow is going to be in the up direction because basically the air that comes in through the engine comes up through the blower motor and up through the filter. Once it goes through the filter, it comes out through your vents. So make sure that you have that arrow going the right direction. I don't think it'll affect it too much if you accidentally put it in the wrong way, because if you actually look at this, it's the same thing on either side. So just try to make sure you keep everything in the right direction. So we're going to install this with the airflow up. And you need to keep those words on the side, because the width of this will match the box up there. So since this is not a perfect square, you have to go wide side in, okay? A little bit difficult with one hand. Okay. It's installed all the way. It's flush, right? None of it's sticking out. Just close this back up. You'll hear a click. Done. And we'll hang the door back in. When you go to hang these back in, make sure that these little clamps rest on that bar down there. Kind of want to put the whole door in first and then try to pull those clamps down a little bit. You can kind of see it's not latched, right? There we go. I just put my hand inside of here to push it down. And all of them are in. Those as well. So now this should close nicely. Yep. And when I release the latch, it should automatically slowly come down again. There we go. That's it. No screwdriver required. Thank you guys very much. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.